This week's portion of Chayei focuses its attention on the search for a bride for Isaac. Sarah, Isaac's mother, Abraham's wife, dies at the beginning of this portion, but then the rest of it is Abraham's concern for the future of the family. The covenant that God gave and enacted with Abraham ensured that there would be future generations, and that the descendants will be so numerous to be as the sands of the sea. And so Avraham, though, doesn't see any future in sight, and so he takes matters in his own hand, sends his chief servant Eliezer to the home country where his distant relatives still are in the land of Haran to find a suitable bride there. The Torah, instead of following its own style of being short with words, spends a lot of time not only describing Eliezer's journey to Haran and the coincidence or the way in which God is involved in ensuring that Eliezer finds Rebekah there at the well, and then even to allow Eliezer to repeat the story and all its details to Rebekah's family. The Torah could have simply said Eliezer told the family everything that happened up to that point and saved 30 verses from the Torah, as it usually does in other parts of the text. And so when the Torah spends so much time, it is clear that the lesson that the Torah tries to teach us is how important it is for us to transmit our values from one generation to the next, that we need to do everything we can to ensure that our children and grandchildren know the important values that we hold dear, that our educational values, our moral and ethical values. We can't just assume that our family knows what we stand for. We have to do everything we can to ensure that they know it through our actions and through sitting down with them and sharing the details with them. If the Torah finds it so important to focus on the details, then how much more so should we focus on these details in our life? Carrying on the tradition is an important element of what it means to be Jewish and how to have a Jewish family. Shabbat Shalom.